Hi, second graders. We are going to start on a new project today, and we are going to be learning about an American artist named Wayne Theibeau. He was born in 1920, and he is actually still alive today. He's 100 years old. And I don't know that he's still making art, but he is known for making paintings of food, okay? So he made pictures of ice cream cones, pictures of pie, things like that. So we are going to base our project that we start today off of Wayne Theibeau's work, and we are going to make an ice cream cone. I will show you how to draw this project in just a second. Okay, so I am going to do the drawing demonstration for this project. And you can do yours with your paper in the horizontal direction or the vertical direction. It doesn't really matter to me. I'm doing mine in the horizontal direction just because it's easier to make the video and have the space filled up with the project, but it's completely up to you. So what you are going to do is start out by making a kind of a curved shape like this. And then bring it down towards the bottom, but not right to the bottom of your paper, and make a upside down triangle. But again, it's a little bit rounded at the top, okay? Now, what I like to do is make little X's, kind of, so diagonal lines going down this way. And then diagonal lines going the other way. And it makes it look like a sugar cone, like an ice cream cone. Okay? Now, we're going to make these have at least 2 scoops of ice cream. You can make it have 5 scoops of ice cream if you want. But what I'm going to do is just kind of make sort of a, it kind of looks like parentheses, whoops. And then half of a circle, like this. Now I like ice cream, so I want a nice big scoop. Then what I'm going to do is go ahead and make a second one, and this one's going to have to overlap that first one a little. So I'm going to make that shape again. This time I'm making the bottom of the shape too. It almost looks like a cloud, but it's a very skinny one. And then I would erase where I can see the cone, or I'm sorry, the scoop from before. And now I'm going to make this one go like that. Okay. Now I would say you're probably going to want to make, like if you do it horizontally, you're probably going to want to make like 3 scoops of ice cream. Or I'm sorry, 3 ice cream cones. So I'll make another one here and then another one over here. For the sake of the demonstration, I will just make 2 because you're going to make them very similar. Maybe this one has the scoop of ice cream kind of tipping over a little bit. That's fine. You make it the way that you want to make it. Okay. And maybe you want some ice cream that has sprinkles. Maybe you have some of the bubblegum ice cream. Maybe it's got little chocolate chips in it, like a mint chocolate chip. You decide what you want for your ice cream, and you make it however you would like to, okay? So, at this point, I would say that I'm done, except again, I would make another one. And then what I would do is use a skinny Sharpie to Sharpie everything. Now, you have to kind of decide, do you want to Sharpie your little, like the little things that are inside your ice cream, if it's gum or if it's chocolate chips or whatever it is. You decide if you want to Sharpie those. If it's little specks of, say, red or other colors, you might not want to Sharpie it because typically with that kind of ice cream, there wouldn't be a black outline around it. So if it was like little chunks of peppermint, there wouldn't be a black outline. So just kind of decide what you think would look best. I do want you to trace around the ice cream though, and then, oops, your cone. And I should have put the stripes in this one. And this way. Until you are completely done sharpening everything. And that's all the further I want you to go today. Oh, you know, I did forget one thing. I think if it were me, would also put a cherry on the top. Okay? So, if you have any questions, please let me know.